Hello everyone, this is my review of this micro SD card. This micro SD card is from Amazon Basics. It's an Amazon brand. This memory card is 128 gigabytes and it's compatible with your smartphone, tablet, camera, desktop, laptop, drones, and gaming systems as well. It comes with a plastic case to protect it and to carry it around. Also, it has an adapter so you can plug it into your laptop or computer so you can access the memory. I got this for my camera, dash cam, because I need an SD card in there, and it fits and works pretty well, and I'm able to use it. And it's a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.